Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Let's style this coffee table Gigi's way. If you have any coffee table books, put them to good use because they make a great statement to any shelves or any coffee table. This bowl is from Target. I bought it for $25. Since it is fall, I wanted to add some pumpkins in this bowl, but I'm not a big pumpkin fan, so I decided to go with pine cones instead. So there you see I am placing all of my pine cones that I bought from Kirkland this year. Those smell really nice, and yeah. This box was thrifted from Goodwill. I am going to use this box to place my remote control in there, and I'm going to place it right in the center of the table. These two candle holders I got from Marshall's. The shorter one was $5.99 and the tall one is a $6.99. And these two candles I got from Target Dollar Spot. I am telling you guys, do not sleep on Target. You'll be surprised what you'll find at the Dollar Spot. If you love home decor as much as I do, if you go to a store, if you see anything you like, please pick it up. I bring a lot of shop with me videos to you guys every week. I have hauled this stuff, I shopped this stuff, and I did not pick up anything for myself. And now look what I ended up with. I got this little floral arrangement from Homegoods for $14.99. $14.99. No, this will be going back anyway. But however, I couldn't find anything that I like. I waited the last minute and this is what I got. So this is the final look, guys. If you like this style, please let me know how I did and leave a comment below. Style number 2. Again, guys, I went back to Target. Couldn't find anything that I like. I grabbed this last floral arrangement. And these leaves I wanted to go with those burgundy leaves so badly. I love them, but they didn't have a floral arrangement or any stems. So I grabbed the floral arrangement and I placed those leaves in there to minimize the orange look of it, and it turned out well. So on the table, I'm going to leave the box, the books, and also the pine cones. So you'll see how that's going to turn out. This Storm Skylar candle holder came from Homegoods. It was $9.99. They have 3 different sizes. I purchased the smallest one because I didn't need all 3. So I am going to place that on the books and also use the same candles that I used before in styling number 1. In the bowl, I simply place my candle that I bought from Target for $10 in the center of it, and just keep the pine cones all around it, so when I light it up, the smell will just evaporate everywhere. And let me tell you guys, this candle smells so good. I just don't remember at the moment what scent it is, but it's from Target. And this is the final look. I like this look better than the first one. I don't know if it's the smell of the candles and the pine cones that are getting to me, but I really love this look. If you like any of the looks that I've shown in this video, please leave your girl a like in the comments below. And again, friends, thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I really love and appreciate all of you guys who tuned in to my channel every week for the Shop With Me's and for the Decor. We are only 400 subscribers from 1,000. Thank you for every like, every share, and every subscriber. I appreciate all of you, and thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.